What's up, squad? Happy 4th of July. We hope everybody's having a beautiful day. We drove from San Diego up to LA to have 4th of July with my dad and all my family up here. Little dog.
Aww.
And look at this dog.
Hey, come here. He's so cute.
This my...
Watch out, you almost stepped in poop, or did you?
Oh my god! Did I step in poop?
Oh no. Did you? Oh.
No! I stepped in poop! Oh my god!
I had a feeling we were going to.
Happy 4th of July.
Oh, is Honey here? Look at the baby!
Oh, look at...
Give our subbies some love.
Alright, so what's up, y'all? Me and my little bro.
What's going on?
I know you guys know how Dominique has pranked me in last video, so I was thinking, since it's 4th of July, we got fireworks, let me do a little prank on her. Alright, squad, so I just finished making the fake firework. Got the string attached. This looks like it's gonna blow up right here. Hopefully I can get Dom into thinking that it's a real firework, and hopefully she freaks out. But we'll see. Hopefully I can get her, because she's gotten me so many times. This is payback. She can't really think that I'm really gonna blow her hands off. Like, come on, that's crazy. Oh yeah, and happy 4th of July. Let the fireworks begin. You got a bandana? Cover up Dominique's face, because I'm about to do a prank on her. Yo, am I your favorite brother?
I don't know.
Let's say yes, just for subscribers.
Maybe.
Can you see?
No.
Hold it tight.
Okay.
You trust me? You got it. You'll trust me. You trust me.
Okay. That's cute. What are you doing? Is that duct tape? What the heck, Dom? Ow.
Alright, ready?
Can you guide me?
Yeah. Outside.
Stop! Open it! Why are you doing this to me? What the heck?
What happened?
What is it? Is it gonna explode right now? What if it explodes right now?
What is it, Dominic?
I don't know.
So what did you think of that prank?
I was so scared.
What did you think it was gonna happen? I think I was actually gonna put you in harm's way like
I
that?
mean, you kind of did.
You think
My
something
hair
was really gonna
on
blow up?
fire. I didn't even
Okay,
know
except that
anything
part.
was lit until like you took the blindfold off. Felt something like sizzling.
Really thought it was gonna blow up.
No idea what I was gonna do. Watch out.
Oh! Cinnamon! Cinnamon, get out! Cinnamon, get out of there! Oh my god! Oh my god! We got a workout for y'all today. You wanna tell them? Dom's never done this one.
Start with wall ball.
Bang. 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 I'm gonna do 10 to 12, and then she's gonna do ab rollouts, and then I'm going to do regular push-ups. We'll do the rope thing for like 30 seconds. Oh yeah, girl. Let's get to it.
Get his fine ass. Hey, Dominic's starting out with the wall ball squats. Get that. Boom. You're like forced to go deep on these, because when you catch the ball, all the weight comes down on you.
What we do here is go back.
Higher. My back muscle is crazy. Oh yeah. Go crazy, go crazy. This ain't no joke.
Got him out of breath.
Your heart beating fast?
Yeah.
Yes. Squad. Squad, you gotta try this workout. You gotta try it. So we challenge y'all. Let's go. Alright squad, so that's the end of today's video. If you guys like the prank I did on Dom, how you like that?
I didn't like it.
You didn't like that? But if you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel.
Turn our post notifications on.
Hit that bell button.
And then DM us on Instagram saying done. And like Dom and I always say,
Until next time, Dom Squad out.